Holy cow. Pretty good? What a difference. I took out the dogwood. See that? Part of that baby dogwood's done. Woo! Oh my. That's amazing relief.
Yeah, I bet. And there she is.
Look how much that thing turned up on its side like that.
Those branches we put there.
Huh?
I was talking to the camera about the branches on the roof. Oh yeah.
And how dry rotted this stem was.
Oh wow.
That we didn't tie to.
Yeah.
Thankfully.
It was a big tree to drop.
Yeah, it was.
House is all new now.
Look at this wet cavity in here.
It's a big stump. Is this the one you used?
No.
Just kidding. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, it is actually. It's the biggest one.
Look at that.
Yeah, just about. See that right there?
That's just enough.
I wasn't quite sure. Yeah, I was getting ready to come back to this
You
side.
can actually see right where you hit. Look at that.
Yep, yep. The bigger, supposedly the bigger the hinge is on this side, it would keep it from going that side. The saying is wood on this side, you know.
Well, look, yeah, the more you cut on that way, the more it's going to go that way.
Right, supposedly. There's also people who disagree and say that's just old school. Did you hear creaking? Now getting this cut up is actually going to be a little tricky. You know what?
It's going to be a beast.
I'm just going to have to cut right here. Drop it right there.
Yeah.
Put a rope on it or something. Tie it off.
It's a big mess.
Huh?
But it's a big mess.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
That's what we do.